How comfortable guests feel during their stay is essential to a hotel's reputation. Yet at the same time, hotel owners must consider how much energy and operational costs they are willing to take on. LG HVAC solution is the answer to this problem. Hotel lobbies are large spaces with high ceilings that require year-round availability of heating, cooling, and ventilation. LG's multi-V duct and air handling unit systems cool, heat, and ventilate large spaces effectively, making comfort more accessible than ever before. When guests check in, LG's AC control activates the air conditioner in their room, creating the perfect climate by the time they walk in the door. Guest rooms are where people really want to feel relaxed and comfortable. LG provides a total solution for guest rooms to meet the best quality of comfort and energy saving. Ceiling-concealed ducts with AHU provide a constant stream of fresh air to ventilate the room and maintain optimum temperature, thanks to LG Multi-V's smart load control. The low-noise indoor unit in the guest room has been designed to be as quiet as possible for maximum guest comfort. The newest LG Control interface displays temperature, humidity, and comfort levels with a design that's easy to read and control. In addition, various individual controllers can be applied on demand. The LG Multi-V's heat recovery system channels the indoor unit's excess heat to the Hydro Kit system, generating water temperatures of up to 80 degrees Celsius. This extra heat can be used to heat indoor pools and kitchens without increasing energy use. Furthermore, the heat recovery system allows simultaneous, independent heating and cooling by moving heat energy from one area to another. Interlinking air conditioner operation with dry contact helps to avoid unnecessary electricity charges when guests leave the room. Public facilities like restaurants, fitness centers, and conference rooms require independent air conditioning systems. LG's new VRF system is the world's first VRF system that can sense both temperature and indoor and outdoor humidity levels for high energy efficiency and ultimate comfort for guests. Hotels can waste a lot of energy if they are unable to effectively manage their air conditioning systems. LG's central control system provides a variety of solutions, saving your running costs and efficient energy control. The peak wattage function limits peak energy usage by controlling indoor units. It can also set schedules in advance for certain timed events. Energy management enables monitoring of all operational details and power consumption. Visual navigation shows current operation status on floor plan in one view. Controls can be easily accessible via smartphone for your convenience. Moreover, improved building management system connection makes the LG Control solution compatible with existing building management systems. Also, for those which are located near beaches, the world's only LG Ocean Block pin technology prevents corrosion of outdoor unit due to salty sea breeze for exceptional durability and long-lasting performance. As proven in various top hotel brands throughout the world, we are proud to introduce best hospitality solution that realizes optimal efficiency and highest customer satisfaction. Work with the specialists that have answers to all of your hotel's specific needs.